Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Crafty Crow Show. Today, I promise, Stanley, I promise, we're finishing up this forge blower today. This thing has been a beast, and I know the owner, Stanley, has been chomping at the bit to get the thing back. It's been busy, I've been out here as much as I can. As you can see, probably, I've ruined 2 shirts doing this. This thing is lubricated with oil. And there's been years and years and years of oil, dripped out through it, built up, mixed in with dirt. It has been a nasty project, let me tell you. But I have got just about all the paint done. All the major parts are done. It's just detail work on the paint. All the parts are clean. I think we've about got it. So this will be the last video. So Stanley, it's coming. First thing we need to do though is get the stand done. And I've got a magic trick for the stand. You want to see? You want to see? Come on. Stick with us. Let's get this thing finished up and let's see what it looks like when we get done. Okay, we'll talk about what I'm getting ready to do a little bit and then we'll go back to just watching things, because I know you don't want to see me ramble on all the time like I usually do. The biggest worry I've had is the handle. It looks like it's had a repair in the past. I found out a few things, but I've been trying like crazy to figure out how I'm going to fix it. And I think I've got it. So the parts of the handle, you've got a straight bar that I've got lined back out straight. It was pretty crooked. You got a counterweight. But the biggest thing has been, and I've been scratching my head like crazy over it, this handle. Now this rod would go through the bar on this end, and this is where the handle would go. It's got wooden handles. It, to me, looks like it's been repaired at one point in time. It's supposed to go on like this, but this handle is split right down the middle. And we would have replaced the handle, and that's all fine and good, but he didn't want the handle replaced, and I'm all on board with that. I mean, it's took me a little bit more figuring out, but this was his great-grandfather's, and all down through the generations, this same handle is what all of them have touched, and he wants to make sure that he and his kids are able to touch the same wood as his great-grandfather did. So probably his great-grandfather or grandfather made this repair, so it's still an old repair, because I don't know if this would have been original or not. But we're going to see what I come up with to get this fixed, because it's got to rotate. We've got some work to do. So I'll shut up. We'll get back into it, and let's finish this thing up today. There we go. Let's let this dry, see how it turns out. we go. Oh, that was a job. The green color, we did find green when we were stripping a bunch of the dirt and grime off, and Stanley had found an old ad, a newspaper ad or whatever for the blower that actually said it come in green. So from the color I was finding and what the ad said and everything, and looking at some other belt nap tools with that green color, I believe we got pretty close to the original color. So thought that was pretty cool. The whole thing was probably green, so I put some detail on it. Just, he's going to have it as a showpiece instead of a working piece. So that's why we didn't go black or anything like that. But the job is done. The workbench can be reclaimed. I can get back to my life. Whew. It was rewarding. I kind of hate to let this go back. I mean, you know, put a bunch of time into it, and the thing is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for putting up with me 3 parts. And thanks for just coming along. Remember, like, comment, subscribe if you like the content and you like the channel. Help me grow, because we've been growing a lot here lately and only looking up from here. Other than that, what? You want to see it? Oh, you want to see the completed thing? Well, yeah, I guess I'm just messing with you. Here, we'll let you see it, but I'll close out with the views of it. So until next time, love one another as the good Lord tells you. We'll see you guys on the next video. Stanley, man, I can't wait to show you this. I hope you're tickled to death with it. See you later, guys.